At Isaloni, it is difficult to pass by the stand of the Mirt company, which was represented for the first time this year in the pavilions of the Salone del Mobile.
It was a long way for us, for our company, to exhibit in this way on Isaloni, because previous 22 years I was just visiting and not exhibiting, and then I was dreaming about how to exhibit on this kind of big, huge exhibition, which is #1 in the world for such companies as we are. And now this year we have our own booth on this very nice, very beautiful exhibition.
Mirt is a Ukrainian brand with an international reputation, combining traditional carpentry skills with modern design and manufacturing technologies. Founded in 1991, the company has grown into a powerful player in the interior design market, implementing projects in more than 15 countries around the world, from the US and Germany to the UAE, Saudi Arabia and Qatar, creating not just furniture but comprehensive premium interior design solutions.
Our very strong side is that we are doing complex decisions for the client. So if the client need to make doors, windows, wall paneling, parquet floors, wardrobes, kitchens and all other different furniture, he needs usually to search for 5, 6, 7 or even 10 different companies. And then he needs to make this connection between all of these companies. How to connect them with sizes, how to connect them with dimensions, with measurements, colors, materials, and even just project management. This is a huge headache for any client. And from our side, we can propose to the client one complex solution from one hand. We can produce parquet floor, we can produce windows, doors, wall paneling, any kind of joinery, different kitchens, loose furniture, and so on. This is our main strong side. And of course, we can do almost everything as for the technologies and finishes.
Among the key exhibit items presented at this year's Isaloni is a wardrobe made of American walnut in a laconic minimalist style. We have presented this walnut wardrobe because there is a very high demand for this particular style today, a modern combination of metal, built-in lighting and hidden fasteners. Minimalist design is extremely popular right now, and walnut is considered one of the most valuable types of wood, so of course we couldn't help but show off our work with this material. A set for a meeting room made of solid oak and natural veneer was also presented. Its distinctive feature is the integration of soft textiles into wooden panels and curved radius elements made by hand. Decorative metal inserts and the work desk with a leather top completed the look of a stylish business space. In general, wooden panels are used very often in modern interiors. They are not only aesthetically pleasing but also significantly simplify and reduce the cost of wall finishing compared to classic plaster. Panels can be used to hide unevenness and utilities and visually improve the space. Architects were particularly interested in the special creation of Mirt, a unique sliding system made of wood and aluminium. This exclusive solution has no analogs and opens up new horizons for designers of elite interiors.
It's a wood aluminum sliding system, which if we would say 3, 4, even 5 years ago, we were able to make like 3.2, 3.5 meters height. And now we have developed a special system, which can be 4 meters height and even higher, even up to 4.5 meters high. And this solution cannot provide any other company in wood aluminum systems.
For architects and designers, Mirt is a reliable partner that takes care of everything from measurements and design to production, delivery and installation. Remote work with designers has become possible thanks to advanced technologies. However, we cannot do without our specialists visiting the site to take measurements. Sometimes we find local people who specialize in taking measurements for architectural firms or construction companies. For example, in Azerbaijan and Kazakhstan we have representative offices. Next comes the process of creating your project with an individual approach and developing all the details of the components. Once the project has been approved, it is sent to production. If you need it, the production department will send you videos and photos of your products. Before shipping, a complete assembly is carried out to check for any defects. After that, all the furniture is disassembled and packed depending on further transportation. After you receive your furniture in perfect condition, it is installed on site. Either the manager who led the entire project with you or a separate installation supervisor must be present at the site during installation.
Nowadays we have a showroom in Kiev, in Ukraine. We also have two showrooms in Kazakhstan, one in Astana and another one in Almaty. And also we have our representative partners in New York City, in Brooklyn. As for other representatives or our companies, we also have, but without showroom, just in office format. We have our presence in Dubai, also in Tashkent, Dushanbe, and Berlin. An order in Azerbaijan, in Baku. And actually it was the first country where we start working abroad in 2013. And the first international order was done in Azerbaijan, in Baku.
It's important for Mirt not just to fulfill an order, but to create an interior that makes you proud.